Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now, this was our last lesson. We completed this row. This was the starting of our leaves, and I call them leaves. So we're going to move on to the next row, which is the completion of those leaves, which is this part right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I do, let me insert my needle. I'm going to be wrapping my thread through my fingers to have that flexibility of the thread going through. All right, so what I'll do is I do one chain right here. I go under the lead, go under the next available chain, and grab that lead, pull through. I go through two, again go through two. I go back under the lead, go under the next chain, pull it through. I only pull through two this time. Then I go back under the lead, I go under the next available chain, grab it, pull it through. I pull through two, go back, pull through two, and again pull through the next two. So I have the completion of this leaf right here. Now let's go ahead. We have to make this loop right here. So this is 5 chains going into this loop right here, and then another 5 chain coming out of that loop. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go under this loop, grab the lead, we do 1 single stitch. We're going to make 5 more chains, 2 and 5, go under the lead. Now we're going to go under this chain right here, the first chain on this bunch right here, grab the lead, pull it through 2, go back under the lead, go under the second chain, pull it under, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We're going to do the same thing again. Go under the lead, under the next chain, grab the lead, pull through only 2, go back under the lead, go under, grab it, pull through 2, pull through 2, and one more, pull through 2. Oops. All right, so that's completed. Let's go ahead and continue. We are going to do 1 chain right here. Go under the lead again, go under the first chain right there, grab it, pull it through, pull through 2. Go under the lead, under the next chain, pull through. Now we go through 2, 2, and one more 2. One more time, go under the lead, under the chain, grab that, pull through 2 only. Go back to the lead, go under that last chain, grab the lead, pull it under, pull through 2, pull through 2, again pull through 2. We're going to be doing the 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in here and do a single stitch. Do 5 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go under the lead. Again, let's go through this. We go under this first chain, pull it through. We only go through 2 loops. There's 2 still on your needle. Go under the next available chain, grab the lead through. We have 4 on the needle. We pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Go back to your lead, go under, grab 3 on your needle, pull through 2 left on your needle, go back, grab a loop, go under, 4 on your needle, we pull through 2, 2 and 2, and there you have it. You see how that is coming together very nicely? Look at that row right there. That's what we're trying to do. All right, again we make that 1 chain, and then we are going to continue. So let's continue. When we come back, we will do the completion of this row. And we are back. We are going to close off this row, so let's go ahead and do that. We make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again we go under this chain, grab the lead, pull through 2, grab a loop, go under the next chain, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again pull through 2, go under the lead, okay. Well, let's close off. We make that 1 chain, we go into the 3rd chain right there, we grab the lead through it, and again through, close off with a slip stitch, and this is how we row. Oops. All right, so there you have it. Your 5th row is complete. So now when we come back, we'll move on to the 6th row, and this is where we start making this into a square. So go ahead and practice, and when we come back, we start on row 6. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.